Welcome to Believe Industry Company. Today, we are introducing our high-efficiency supermarket shelving panel roll-forming machine, a fully automated solution engineered to produce high-precision retail shelves with seamless integrated bending. Production excellence begins with absolute feeding accuracy. The raw steel coil passes through our heavy-duty uncoiler and leveler to guarantee flat, stress-free material. Guided by a precision servo feeder, the strip enters the multi-station hydraulic punching device. This station accurately punches all necessary mounting connection holes and strategic end notches, laying the perfect foundation for flawless inline folding and structural assembly down the line. Moving to the main forming section at double speed, you can see the advanced design of our cassette duplex mill. This width-adjustable system allows operators to rapidly switch between different shelf dimensions to meet versatile order demands. Driven by a robust dual-sided chain and gear transmission system, the line ensures maximum torque and perfect profile synchronization at all times. At the end of the mill, the material flows straight into our innovative, space-saving integrated cutting and bending device. Watch the seamless execution of the continuous cutting and bending process, shown here at twice the speed. By combining shearing and edge bending into a single automated mechanical step, this line completely eliminates secondary offline processing. The sheets are cut to exact lengths and flawlessly folded on the ends, emerging as retail-ready supermarket shelving panels. This continuous automation drastically shortens production cycles and slashes labor costs. Scale your retail shelving manufacturing with Believe Industry Company. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more industrial solutions.